This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Sportsman X2 570. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. In the front of the vehicle you will find the front bumper, headlights, radiator access panel, radiator, and winch if equipped. The front cover can be opened by unhooking the two front latches. Underneath you'll find the fuse panel, battery, radiator access cover, and the toolkit with the following: under the front right side of the vehicle you'll find the coolant overflow bottle and the rear brake master cylinder. Moving to the front suspension you will find sealed struts, tie rod, CV boots and axle, and the A-arm. The left handlebar will contain the front brake lever, parking brake, headlight switch, engine stop switch, reverse override switch, which allows the rider to gain additional speed while in reverse, front master brake cylinder, and the winch switch if equipped. In the center, you'll find the high beam headlight adjustment, drive mode switch, spare auxiliary slots, instrument cluster, 12-volt auxiliary socket, battery charge port, ignition switch, and the fuel cap. Moving to the right handlebar, you'll find the all-wheel drive momentary switch and the throttle lever. On the right side of the vehicle, you'll find the gear shifter, rear brake pedal, oil dipstick access panel. Underneath the driver's seat is the spark plug, oil fill cap, and the air filter box. Behind the driver's seat is the cargo box, tilt levers, tailgate, and the tail and brake lights. The cargo box also converts into a passenger seat with grab handles. The rear suspension contains the shock assembly, sway bar and sway bar link, sealed dual A-arms, and the CV boots and axle. In the rear of the vehicle you'll find the exhaust with spark arrestor and the hitch receiver. The VIN label is located on the left rear vehicle chassis frame. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.